everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to see new SQL query from LeetCode. As I have already told you, SQL query is playing a major role in on-campus placements as well as in interviews also. So I came up with this easy SQL query that is called articles views 1 from LeetCode. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, like and share the video. If already a subscriber, hit a like. Okay, let us go into the problem. Given table name called views and you have given with column name and type. These are the column names and these are the types, and they have mentioned that there is no primary key. That means column with no unique values. Okay, for this table, the table have a multiple duplicate rows, and each row of this table indicates that some viewer viewed an article on some date. Okay, note that equal author id and viewer id indicate the same person. Your task is to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles and return the result table sorted by id in ascending order. Note down these 2 points well. Okay, by this only you are going to write the query and the result format in the following example. You are given with this table and your output is this one. Your task is that the author who viewed their authored book at least once, you have to return those id numbers here. This 7, see, author id equals to viewer id because this author saw his own book, so he is the viewer of his own book. So you have to return the id of this. Okay, 7 and as well as 4. See, here it is duplicate, but you have to return single 4. Okay, in ascending order they have asked, so that is why 4 followed by 7 you have got the answer. Now let us write the query so that you can get a clear idea. What you have to do, you have to print the id. Okay, to that you have to use the select statement. Select, what you have to select author id. Okay, select author id. Just paste it. See, this is a long word, so I am giving it its as a short name as id. Okay, select author id as id. Its nickname is id. Okay, from where? From table called views. Okay, see, they have already mentioned, no need to worry, just copy and paste it. Okay, select author id as id from views, and what is the condition? Where. In order to write the condition, you should use the where keyword. Where author id equals to viewer id. I have already mentioned you, the one who wrote the book, he should be the viewer of his own book. So author id equals to viewer id. Okay, where author id equals to viewer id, and they have also given you return the result sorted by id in ascending order. Now you have to write that condition also. Okay, now we are going to write it. Okay, I am writing the condition so that I will return the id in ascending order. Okay, what you have to use the keyword or here in order to print them in ascending order. Okay, ORDER. Okay, order by id. I have already given you the nickname for author id as id, so they have given you print in ascending order by id. Okay, don't forget to put a semicolon. Now let us run the thing. Now you will get an error because they have already told you to print the unique element. See here, 4 and 4, these are the duplicate values. See, your output should be 4 and 7, but our output is 4 4 7. Okay, now I'm printing the duplicate values. How can you avoid these duplicate values? Means by introducing a new keyword called distinct, I'm going to place a keyword to print the only unique element distinct. Okay, select distinct author id as id from views where author id equals to viewer id ordered by id. See, this keyword helps you to print only unique elements. See, if you are not placing this distinct, you are going to get this error because it is duplicate element. So after placing this, let us run the program so that you can get the correct output. They have asked, okay, see, this is acceptable because id are matched. See, they have asked you that they have asked you to print the author id whose author id equals to viewer id. Okay, and it is in ascending order. So this is the correct query in order to print that. And distinct keyword helps you to print the unique elements. I hope you got this query. If you find this video as informative, please hit a like. I'm going to do many more videos on queries, SQL queries. Okay, please hit a like button. Thank you.